can I make my ex-girlfriend jealous of my new lifestyle? How do I prove to my ex-boyfriend that my life is better off without him? Is there a way to make my ex miss me? The answers lie in controlling your behavior, from your activities on social media to your interactions with common friends. Forget the manipulative gossip and rebound relationships and learn how you can make your ex regret leaving you by just being yourself. Well, in today's video, we will be showing you ways to make your ex regret losing you. Without further ado, let's begin. Don't stop meeting new friends. Relationships with friends play a big role in post-breakup scenarios. To portray a positive image, and better yet, truly thrive, continue meeting your friends as if it is life as usual. Your ex will find it hard to accept your proactive approach to your social life because it will make them feel like you have moved on. Mutual friends might tell your ex about hanging out with you and make your ex miss you. Post pictures of parties you attend on social media. Jealousy can passively drive regret, and you can easily make your ex jealous by posting pictures of yourself partying on Facebook, Insta, and the like. Go out on weekends with friends and take group selfies at nightclubs, cafes, and other events. Add an exciting caption to let everyone know that you are having the best time of your life. Your ex will look at the pictures and wish that he or she was there with you at that very moment. Get back in shape. Lose weight or bulk up. The easiest way to make your ex regret breaking up with you is to get your body back in shape. As an added bonus, working out is a healthy distraction for many people, allowing them to think about something other than their recent breakup. It should take no less than a couple of months for the first signs of your workout to become apparent. Be patient, and when you can finally squeeze into those curvy jeans and show off your broad shoulders, show it off. Looking at your sexy new body image, your ex will definitely regret dumping you. Don't be desperate. Avoid trying to contact your ex. If you give in to the temptation of being in touch with your ex even after your breakup, it will clearly send a signal that you still miss them. Do whatever it takes to stop yourself from calling, messaging, or getting in touch with your ex. If your ex is having any second thoughts about your breakup, avoiding contact may provoke further bouts of regret over dumping you. Don't interact with your ex online. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Tumblr, and blogs will play a big role in defining how your behavior affects your ex's mindset. Stop interacting with your ex in any way on social networks. Don't like any of your ex's posts on Facebook. Stop yourself from using instant messaging apps on your smartphone. Don't retweet or reply to your ex's tweets. Avoid reading your ex's blog. Don't repin any of your ex's pins on Pinterest. Stop sharing pictures from your ex's Instagram. Post positive updates on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and other social media networks. Apart from stopping interaction with your ex on social media, make sure that your own updates are full of positivity. The type of updates you post will have a significant impact on how your ex reacts during post-breakup scenarios. Watching you post positive status updates on Facebook, inspirational tweets on Twitter, and other uplifting stuff all over your online presence, your ex will start doubting if they made a mistake in dumping a person like you. Pursue your interests and hobbies vigorously. When your ex sees other people appreciating your talents, they will regret letting go of such a wonderful person. Pursue your interests and hobbies vigorously. When your ex sees other people appreciating your talents, they will regret letting go of such a wonderful person. Nurture your talents. Become an expert and show off. Everyone has talents, interests, and hobbies which can be used to incite self-confidence and higher levels of self-respect. You can take this route to build a better post-breakup image by nurturing these talents. Whether you like to play guitar or are interested in learning how to paint, nurture your interests and take them up seriously. Keep practicing until you can show off your skills to your friends. Watching you strum away in front of a mesmerized group of friends or seeing your beautiful painting in an art gallery will instantly make your ex regret dumping you. Date new people gradually. Wait until you regain your confidence. It is normal to feel sad, depressed, and heartbroken after a breakup. Give yourself a couple of months to stand up on your own 2 feet and regain your confidence. Don't be desperate to date new people, but if someone asks you out for a coffee, don't be bent upon saying no. Let your dates know up front that you have just come out of a breakup. Draw the line before they start creating exceptions so that there are no misunderstandings. Avoid getting into a rebound relationship instantly after getting dumped. There are many reasons why rebound relationships happen. Here are some of the common ones. To make an ex jealous. To make a desperate attempt to move on. To find emotional support. To put up a fake facade and hide a broken heart. None of these are good enough reasons to get into a rebound relationship. As mentioned, wait at least a couple of months before you start meeting new people. Frantic rebound relationships may lead to immature decisions. From your ex's perspective, watching you get into a rebound relationship will actually make him or her feel that dumping you was the right choice. Because no matter how hard you try and make your ex regret you by taking this route, at the end of the day, they will probably only end up thinking less of you for it. Achieve your personal, academic, and professional goals. Make your ex regret dumping an achiever. A very effective way of making your ex regret breaking up with you is to become an achiever. Focus on whatever goals you have at hand, such as getting a promotion or passing a crucial exam. One day when you become a successful business executive, artist, or self-employed professional, your ex will regret breaking up with a person who is surging ahead in life. Don't gossip about your ex. Be mature and dignified. Saying bad things about an ex or making fun of their habits are some of the things that people often do after a bitter breakup. You can indulge in this mindless behavior, or you can be dignified about your breakup and move on. If you don't gossip, it may come as a surprise to your ex, who will be left wondering why you aren't talking behind their back, despite the fact that you got dumped. If your ex is not a heartless person, your calm maturity and humble reaction to the breakup will be a thought-provoking situation. They will think again and may even regret dumping a genuine person like you. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.